The perfect commuter and family-friendly South End location.
Perfectly maintained, one-owner home.
The perfect walkout lower level that just so happens to be entirely above grade.
And a perfect backyard built for entertaining all come together to form the perfect listing. Stay tuned because we got all that and more on today's episode. All right, Adam, we find ourselves here today back in the southeast corner of Barrie in the Painswick neighborhood. Now, it's no secret why buyers from families, commuters, and otherwise flock to this part of town. Why don't you give us a little rundown why this location is so sought after?
Yeah, that's right, Brent. It's a super popular area. It's pretty easy to see why, right? You mentioned it right off the bat. The location is AAA here. If you are a commuter, which we know a lot of you are out there, and you need quick and convenient access to multiple commuter routes, you have that from here. You can be on the 400 in just a few minutes drive, or if you're looking to ditch the car and you want to take transit, you can be at the Barrie South GO station in just a few moments as well. So we have that basis covered. Also, we get lots of families in this area because we are surrounded by parks and green spaces as well as multiple different schools here. So that is an absolutely big draw to the area as well. And then for all those daily conveniences, we're located in the south end of Barrie here. So the world's your oyster when it comes to everything you're looking for. We have Costco, Walmart, we have the Saddlin Center just up the road, and then also out towards Yonge Street as well. Everything that you could possibly ask for in terms of grocery, liquor stores, doesn't get much better than this.
All right, Adam, no kidding, this location is spot on. You checked all of the boxes you would need there, but those boxes just continue to be checked in this home you see in behind us here, starting with the curb appeal. I mean, it is gorgeous. We've got an all brick raised bungalow here, and the single owner living in this home here has meticulously maintained both inside and outside. As you can tell behind me here, we've got some updated garage doors, windows, and roof, so you don't have to worry about those big ticket items for a long time. But inside, again, the house has been meticulously maintained. We've got a phenomenal floor plan here, 3 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down, natural light just bathing the space. And one of the best parts about this raised bungalow is that not a single inch is below grade. You don't see that very often. The entire house is above grade. Don't worry about any of those wet basements or otherwise because it is all above grade. Now, enough out here. Let's get inside and check out our newest listing.
Welcome inside 166 Country Lane. Now, as Brennan mentioned outside, this home has been lovingly maintained and exceptionally well cared for by the same owner since it was built. Now, after doing this for 15 years, I can tell you that one-owner homes are not common, but they all exude an exceptional level of care, and this one certainly does not disappoint either. Now, there's so much you're gonna love about this home. It starts with the floor plan. We have a raised bungalow here, over 1,000 square feet of finished living space on this level alone, and it's open concept, so it flows beautifully from the living room that I was just standing in into this kitchen and then into the eat-in portion of the kitchen and out onto a raised deck, which would be an excellent spot for barbecuing and entertaining. Now, we have 3 terrific sized bedrooms on this level, a full bath, but there's still so much more to see. Let's go find Brennan.
Welcome down to the lower level here. Now, we keep mentioning the pride of ownership, and that is evident in this space here as well. As you can see, every single inch of this space has been meticulously maintained. We've got more of those large, recently updated windows just bathing the space in natural light. And again, we're completely above grade here, so not a single bit of this basement is underground. I wouldn't even call it a basement. We call this a lower level with tons of additional functionality. Not only do we have 2 generous bedrooms in this space, we've got this rec room walking right out into your beautiful backyard, a full bath, as well as convenient garage access. So whether you've got the large family or you're looking to add a little bit of income potential, converting this into a secondary suite, again, to make a little bit of rent each month, perhaps you're that first-time home buyer or investor looking for a little bit of monthly expense support, you could easily add a kitchen here to convert this to a secondary suite. I mean, the possibilities in this home are truly endless.
So Bren, lots to love about the home that we just saw, but again, no good home is complete without some fantastic outdoor entertaining space. And when the weather's like this, I don't know anywhere we would rather be. This backyard certainly does not disappoint. We're on a 44 by 111 foot deep lot here. We're fully fenced. So that means for the kids and for the four-legged friends, you really don't have to worry about it. And then this backyard really does pack some entertainment value here. We have a raised deck that's off the kitchen, great spot for grilling and entertaining. And then we have this terrific lower level deck here, which is the perfect spot to unwind wine at the end of the evening, a couple of cocktails around the fire. We have the above ground pool, which if we have a summer like we just did here, I guarantee you're gonna spend a lot of time in there beating the heat. It truly doesn't get much better than this for entertainment value.
Yeah, Adam, no kidding. I mean, this backyard packs a punch and truly completes this entire package. Let's do a quick rundown on what we saw here today. I mean, we've got over 2,000 square feet of meticulously maintained space in this completely above grade raised bungalow home. It's all brick. We've got newer windows, newer roof, garage door, tons of other updates here. A fantastic backyard, but of course we can't forget about the location. As we touched on at the start of our tour, we're in the Painswick neighborhood with easy commuter access, whether it's in your car to the 400, looking to get on the train at Barrie South Go. Your amenities are right around the corner. We've got Park Place, we've got the Mapleview Strip, and of course we've got Yonge and Big Bay for all your shopping, dining, and all the other needs that you need day to day. It is all right here. And of course we can't forget about the kids. A truly family-friendly neighborhood, tons of green space, phenomenal parks, some of the best schools you could ask for. I mean, I challenge you to find something that this home and location does not offer. It is truly AAA.
That's right. We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.